Today we are trying Stable Diffusion in our Mac computer. Let's go! Okay, so we are using DiffussionBee in order to try Stable Diffusion in Mac OS. Download at diffusionbee.com. Download this DiffussionBee Mac OS. Yeah, my case is Apple Silicon, so let's download. We install it, copying DiffussionBee to applications, and since it's already installed, DiffussionBee running, verifying. I'm sure I want this DiffussionBee. Now it seems that it's doing some setup. Nice user interface. Let's try text to image. Seems like I could download other models. I'm trying with the default one. I like a new logo in green and black, retro style, as the art. Geek guy with glasses and beard. Wow, I like this one. Oh, yeah, kind of. No, I don't like it. One more. I'm telling it to create 10 images. Okay, so it finished. To be honest, I don't like any of these images. Anyway, it's cool having this tool in my computer so that I can generate my own images so that I don't depend on cloud services. I see you in the next video. Thank you.